everyone, in today's video I'm gonna be testing out these rollers. I bought them on Amazon for around $12. Since my hair grew, like you can see, it's much longer than in the previous video where I was testing these curls, I thought it would be a good idea to test these rollers again on longer hair. So that's gonna be interesting. I bought these rollers because whenever I travel and I can't take my Dyson Airwrap with me, I want to be able to curl my hair, and because that worked for me really well in the past, I hope it's gonna give me very nice curls again, and I hope it's gonna look even better now since I have longer hair. So yeah, it's very easy, and it's been around an hour since I washed it, so it's almost air dried, but I still need to dry it more. I'm just gonna smooth it out with the Dyson attachment. I'm not gonna use any hair iron, nothing like that. Basically that's supposed to give me like a good base to apply these rollers, and last time I put them on for 30 minutes. Some people advise to put it on even for longer for better effects, but for me that gave me a pretty nice curls, so I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna keep them for 20 to 30 minutes and we'll see how it looks. So yeah, let's just get started. I probably will need from like 4 to 6 rollers on one side, so let me prepare that. Okay, so that's gonna be one side, 4 to 6, depending how thick is your hair. Basically, if you have thinner hair, use less rollers. You just may not need more, but if you have thick hair, definitely use more. I usually go for less because it's more time efficient, and my hair, since my hair is very thin, I just don't need that many. So okay.